Let's get started with importing a free VFX pack. You can search it on Unity Access Store. I will leave the link under this video. Click Import. Now open it to get an effect to use. We will use effect Tile Smoke. Put it to our game. If you don't see the smoke, it might be behind your background. You can put your background to lower layer to fix it. Now you can see it. I will remove Prefab and change its name to Tile Smoke. Remember to place it inside our character. Let's adjust the particle to make smoke effect as you want. Turn off this shape for now. You can try to turn on off this option to see how it works. Velocity over lifetime is the speed of smoke. We don't use velocity. Turn off this limit velocity too. Color over lifetime to change its color every frame. We don't need to change color every frame. Turn it off too. Size over lifetime to change size every frame. Rotation over lifetime to rotate every frame. Rotation by speed to do rotation depends smoke speed. Let's use rotation by speed and turn off rotation over lifetime. Renderer to change the shape of each smoke particle. You can put any shapes as you want for the smoke here. Emission is the limit of number of smoke particles. You can choose a random of a number by clicking this button. It will choose a random between number 2 and 5. Duration is the time of each round of smoke animation. Start lifetime is the ending time of particle. Start speed is the default speed of smoke animation. Start size is the default size of each smoke particle. Set start rotation to 0. Start color is the default color of smoke. Set it 2D gravity and turn off gravity too. We don't use gravity. Render alignment to say smoke particle follow local or world. Sometimes if it goes to wrong direction, try to change this value. If you move this smoke, you can see how it works when tank moves. Let's move it to the right side of this tank. This is how it looks like when pressed play. Next, let's change the shape of particle. First, create material. Name it Matte Tile Smoke. Change shader to particles unlit. Rendering mode to cut out. Now drop to this bright Tile Smoke to avatar of material. Click Apply to System or you will get a warning. Now just put this material to our particle system. Change render mode to billboard for 2D material. Put Matte Tile Smoke to material slot. If you plan it is behind the background, try to change render alignment to world. And in shape change position Z -1 to bring it in front. This is a 2D game, but particle is sold as 3D object in 3D game. You can change the angle to group the particles closer. In a mission, I will limit 1 to 5. You can choose your own number. Let's play to see how it works. It works fine. Next, let's make it play smoke only if tank is moving. To do that, open player script to add some events to check if an object is moving. We will check its velocity values. Get magnitude to convert 2D vector to a number. Let's print this value to debug log. On fixed update, we'll call once every 2 frames depending on FPX. You can see values of velocity. It will be 1 if tank is moving and reduced to 0 if it stops moving. Let's play smoke if tank is moving and stop smoke if it is stopped. If this value greater than 0, add custom event player moving. If this value less or equal than 0, call event player not moving. Add once event to them to call one at a time only. Reset its state if the value is switched. If players moving, play effect smoke. We need to add game object tire smoke here. And we call particle system stop to stop smoke effect. Press play and it worked. But the smoke is delayed after tank moved. To fix it, choose tire smoke and turn on reswarm. Reswarm will continue to the last state of this effect. It will have to stop effect to start over. If you use microcontroller, there is an event to check movement. You can copy and use this. And replace velocity check-in with this event. Duplicate it and move it to another side of this tank. You need to play and stop both effect smoke left and right at once. You can see tire smoke right is dry 1 and tire smoke left is dry 2 of this tank object. Instead of getting their name, we can use get dried. If there are many tanks, we don't need to replace their names again. If we use get dried, Do the same to stop effects. It worked very well. Next, let's make wax gel. When we move gel, it will move slowly. This chart is the width of this gel. We can adjust it. Time is the delay of this gel. Mouse click on the width chart to set it smaller at the end. Play with it for a while until you like. At last, add color to it. I will add a dot color to it. And the upper buttons are opacity. Now move it behind the wheel of tank. I will name it gel right. Duplicate it and name it gel left. Move it to the left. Now we have completed particles and gel. You can change particle value to create the effects you like. Here we'll create dot with particles. I change emission for more particles and change its shape angle. And adjust its size to look it better as dot. Shorten its lifetime. It looks very cool for me now. Don't forget copy it to both Timesmart left right. This is our final result. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more tutorials. Comment below what tutorial you want me to make in next video. Thank you for watching.